Every adventure comes with a different story, and just like that, we've reached our final episode. Finally! Today, we wrap up our Palawan journey with good food, sweet desserts, and a few last stops before heading home to Cebu. After our trip to Nagtabon Beach, we made our way back to Puerto Princesa and checked in at Blue Lagoon, our final stay for this adventure. Tucked away in a quiet, nature-filled setting and just minutes from the airport, it was the perfect place to slow down and rest. And of course, a pool to end the trip just right. After freshening up, we headed out for dinner at KaJoel restaurant, a cozy spot serving Filipino dishes with an ambience that blends the charm of an ancestral house with a modern touch. Hey guys, so we just ordered here at KaJoel. Kami pa lang yung tao dito guys. Kasi kaka 6pm lang. Kaka 6pm. Kaka alas 6 lang pala. Tapos naka-seated kami ngayon. Yun. Para kaming ano lang, nasa province lang. Pero social na setting. Yung ano ba, yung pupunta kayo sa lola niyo na social.
Yung lalabas lahat ng mga treasured utensils. Pero hindi man treasured ni guys kasi walang design. Yung ano lang, pati yung plato wala ring print.
Walang design.
Yung ano lang talaga yung ambience.
Yung ambience dito, sobrang ganda.
Meron ding Kaluwi. Kaluwi. I think same lang siguro ng owner or family. Magka-family sila.
Yung kulang na lang dito is yung malaking painting ng mga kabayo. Or yung yung Last Supper. Ano ba to? Ancestral house ba ito? O parang ginawa lang? Parang ginawa lang mga to. If you guys know, comment down below. Shiny na yung yung ilong ko.
Ha? Yap.
Still craving something sweet, we made our way to Gold Cup for coffee and dessert. It was calm, uncrowded, and the kind of place where you just sit back, enjoy the moment, and savor the quiet. Thank you. Wow, dessert affogato. What you got? Matcha?
Matcha bisco.
Bisco. Ayan mo ah.
Barista.
Barista drink. Let's see.
Happy birthday, Sir Art.
Happy birthday, Sir Art.
Hey guys, good morning. This is our last day here in Palawan, in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. We're actually near the airport, guys, so as you can see, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's an airplane. Lakaw na day. So we'll be going to Baker's Hill to buy the pasalubong, and then after that we'll go back here in the hotel, and then deep in the swimming pool, then check out, then lunch, then ulit na. Let's go to Baker's Hill, guys. Morning, y'all. We're here now at Baker's Hill, so we'll buy our pasalubong here. And hopefully, maybe they have like coffee shop, right? So we can have like our Huh? English?
It's early in the morning.
It's early in the morning and we don't have our English yet. So let's go, guys. This is Baker's Hill. Oh, we're so early here. So like we're the first person to come here. First tourist. So they're still setting up because they probably just opened. In the late tao day. Morning. Pwede na sa airport? Sa bag?
Oo.
Subukan natin tong opyang sibuyas.
Ha? Kasi naman ito kong cheese bread. Mura siya itong mupia mga kuan. Ganang big pie. Sila yung kape diri.
Wala.
Ha?
Baker's Hill cheese bread. Unang kagat. Tinapay lahat. Joke lang. Aman mo man. Alam na day. Proof na may cheese, guys. Oh. The next day, we visited Baker's Hill, one of Puerto Princesa's most popular tourist spot, known for pasalubong and baked goods. It's also a fun place to walk around with retro-themed displays, colorful statues, and relaxing garden spaces. Most tourists visit Baker's Hill together with Mitras Ranch since they're close to each other. But since we wanted a more laid-back experience, we chose to explore them on separate days, away from the crowd at our own pace. One, two, three. We have Ibong Adarna here. Ikat ko. Bawal mag-date dito. Tandaan, bawal mag-date dito. For picture taking only. Bawal mag-love-love dito din. Yan, makapika eh. Sige mo lang, pang-breathing siguro. Donkey. After exploring, we headed back to the hotel and took one last dip in the pool. Not a bad way to end the vacation, right? Before heading to the airport, we made a quick stop for lunch.
Here, oh. Ako yung POV, guys. Before mo kaon. Gusto niyo yarn. So, we're at McCoy's Pizza in Puerto Princesa. If you know Mama, this is Mama. I'll show you who's Mama. This is Mama, the pretty girl. See that? It's them who own this restaurant. They also have ano man eh? Nasad sila anuman dito sa katong plaza natong giadto. Nasad sila dito. Kato sa Boulevard, oh. Ana sila, their cheesecake is a must try and their pizza. So, we're getting that. Enjoy?
Wow! Wow. McCoy special pizza.
Hawaiian na pepperoni.
Chicken basket. Hey, against the light. Let's eat. Against the light.
Chicken, ito pa rin lasa.
Ha?
Nakakisa ko lang pizza. Looking back, this Puerto Princesa and Port Barton adventure has been amazing. From long drives and endless laughter to quiet beaches, island hopping, and moments of stillness, we experienced a side of Palawan that felt both grounding and unforgettable. It reminded me that while life often moves fast, we all deserve to pause, to breathe, and to simply live in the moment. In the end, it's not just the places you go, but the moments you allow yourself to feel that stay with you. And this trip is definitely one of them.
Back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Thank you, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Thank you, Port Barton, Palawan. See you guys next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share peace and love. Bye bye.